Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to connect Roposo to Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify.com website right here if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where you can find all the info. So you want to log into your account where you can access your store. And after all logging into your account, you'll be greeted by the home page where you can find all the sections you can access, such as orders, products, and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how we can get started connecting our Roposo to Shopify. What we want to do guys is to go ahead and get started with opening up this section right here, the left side screen that says add apps. You want to click add apps. This is going to give you this list of fast apps that you can add. What you want to do is to click the Shopify App Store option right here. Click Shopify App Store. That's going to open up this new tab where you can open up the Shopify App Store. And now we can search for all the apps we can use. And what you want to do is go to the search bar right here at the top of the screen and search for Roposo. So after clicking Roposo, guys, this is now going to give you a list of all the options and apps that you have. And as you can see over here, we have Roposo Cloud Dropshipping. What you want to do is get started with adding this to your store. So if your store is compatible with Roposo, as you can see, mine isn't, but if it is, you'll have an option right here and a button that says to add it to your store. What you want to do is click to add it to your store, and after adding it to your store, it's going to appear in your apps right here, and you can get started logging into your Roposo, connecting to Shopify, and syncing it. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.